Let me ask you a question. What is more important to you? Getting a desired rate of return on your money and be happy with that rate of return, or having enough money to live life you want to live with dignity till the day you die without any financial stress? There is a strong relation of this question with the term financial freedom, which is most significant in personal finance. But what it actually is? Some people may have never come across the real concept of permanent financial freedom or financial independence, but everyone is gunning for it. So there are three types of people. First, who are not aware of what is financial freedom. Second, those who know about it yet have not prepared a written plan. And third, who have not only planned but also tracking their progress every quarter. The purpose of this video is to help you start thinking differently about money. Also to enable you for not only being planned but surely achieve financial independence in a shorter period of time. Let's discover it in two parts. 1. Understand what is financial freedom in a layman's language. 2. How many stages of financial freedom are there and which stage are you at present? Also, don't forget to claim your bonus and freebies during the video. So let's explore it together. Hi folks, I am your host Jitendra Srivastav. This channel, Expats and NRI Smart Investor, is part of our mission to ensure basic financial awareness to every individual at no cost. Our videos will provide you untold facts and ideas to manage personal finance and investment along with family's financial security. Since last 2 decades, we have been designing strategies for investments with the ultimate goal of financial freedom for our clients. Holistic financial planning is our passion. We are based at Dubai, UAE, and help expats and NRI across the globe in their journey for wealth creation. So let's discover what is financial freedom, its different stages, and at which stage are you at present. People have their own definitions as per personal experience. In a recent discussion, one of my friends revealed that financial freedom for him when there is no need to put an alarm to get up in the morning for work. According to Wikipedia, financial independence is the status of having enough income to pay one's living expenses for the rest of one's life without having to be employed or dependent on others. Here is an example for you. When someone says, I want to retire at the age 50, that means he or she is aiming for financial freedom at 50. Hence, the real meaning of early retirement is financial freedom. However, there are two types of retirements, retire by default or retire by design, which we shall discover in another video. Let's understand financial independence as a smart investor. Generally, you have two types of income streams, active and passive. When you work to earn with your own involvement, it generates active income. It could be a job or self-employment. On the other side, your invested money works for you to add a second income stream, which is passive income. Yes, your money works for you. And the day passive income stream makes more money and which is enough to meet all your present and future expenses, congrats, you are financially independent. Then even if you stop working, there is no worry about meeting both the ends and how will I pay my bills. There will be enough money so that you never have to worry about money again. You are out of the rat race, so no need to put an alarm to get up early and go for work. You live life at your terms. Do whatever you like and fulfill your past wishes. Spend time with family and friends. Work on your hobbies and interests. Learn a new skill. Read books you always wanted to, or visit places of your interest, and much more. It doesn't mean literally that you will not work for money, but there will not be any compulsion to work for it. On the contrary, you may plan to venture out in some other profession of your interest and passion. In fact, you can become a business person with a unique idea and promote it online. If you're already in a business, then there are better chances to diversify in a business of your choice or better margin. Actually, almost all the people around us are looking for financial freedom, but some may not know exactly what they are looking for and which phase they are at present. Let's look at this example. Suppose you have begun your career at the age 35 and planned retirement at 50. So in next 15 years, you need to achieve financial freedom. You will keep working to earn money for next 15 years, which is active income, and also create your investment corpus simultaneously all these years as passive income. You have meticulously planned that after 15 years you will make sure that passive income takes care of your all present and future expenses even after retirement at 50 till the age of 85, which is assumed life expectancy. Remember, whichever age group or gender you belong to, you can start your journey of financial freedom now. The best time to begin was yesterday, and the second best is today. So, at what age would you like to retire? Do type in the comment box. Currently, there is a FIRE movement across the world, which is an acronym of Financial Independence, Retire Early. Many individuals and families are working towards it. According to them, they are firing to be fired as early as possible. Now let us dive into the second part of this video, 6 stages of financial freedom and which stage are you at present. First stage is negative net worth and no savings. It is just survival. Saving is zero, there are many liabilities and you have negative net worth. Solution is to find ways to increase income and decrease expenses. The examples I illustrated here. Second stage is negative net worth with little savings. It is better than the first stage, but still long way to go. You are saving small amount every month, but liabilities are still there and net worth is negative yet. Third stage is zero net worth with small savings. At this stage, you are free from bad loans. No more major liabilities, maybe mortgage, but that is offsetting with home you are living at. Still, there is a need to keep working on your way to the financial freedom. Fourth stage is positive net worth with few future liabilities. Good progress. You are closer to financial freedom. Here your assets are more than liabilities. This means you have positive net worth. Now the aim is to create continuity of positive cash flow for the future financial goals. Fifth stage is higher net worth with no liabilities. You are very close to financial independence. Here, high positive net worth will help to meet present and future financial goals. Although this stage may not guarantee permanent financial freedom, there may be adverse impact from external factors like low interest rates, rules of trade, higher inflation, longer bearish run of the market, pandemic, war, etc. There is a need to make it foolproof. Sixth stage is achievement of financial freedom. At this stage, your net worth is very high and cash flow is positive. There are no bad loans, although you may have planned good loans which are indirectly helping to grow your net worth. Your detailed financial plan is working smoothly and passive income is capable to meet future financial needs. It has all the provisions. If things go wrong, then congratulations, you have achieved financial freedom. Now people may say it is not possible or maybe possible only for business owners and employees cannot achieve it. But I am telling you, you can achieve it even if you are starting from the first stage. During my 19 years of experience in the financial sector, I have personally observed life-changing events with the clients as they have achieved financial independence despite of no hopes initially when they started from the bottom stage. It is essential to make an appropriate plan for financial freedom under the guidance of a qualified financial advisor. Subsequently, it has to be executed with discipline. Just do it one step at a time. Now let me ask you why it is important to achieve financial freedom. Write your opinion in the comments. According to my belief, if you don't have enough money at the time of forced retirement or planned retirement, then you will be dependent on others or on charity. You have always been a giver during your earning days, but at this stage, you will have no choice but to live on the mercy of other people or some aid. So choice is yours and an early start is always better. By the way, we have created a detailed PDF about these 6 stages and how to move faster to achieve financial freedom. You can get a free copy of this tool by a WhatsApp message or an email. Our contact info is displayed here and also mentioned in the description. Moreover, if you are looking for another video on detailed strategies for achieving financial independence with explanations and examples of real life situation, then comment down below. We may produce a video focused only on this. Check out suggestion link at the top of the screen if it is already released. Now since you stayed with us till the end, here is a bonus point for you. We have previously discussed about active and passive income, but there is a third type of income as well, and that is leverage income. At present, with internet at the biggest marketplace, one must leverage technology and resources to generate much higher income. Unlike passive income, this requires a lot of planning, efforts and time initially to build a robust system. Leverage income also breaks a traditional saying that higher returns can be generated only by taking high risk. Now in our segment, last but not the least, here is a financial quote for you. Money says, if you save me today, I will save you tomorrow. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up to our creative team. Also share the link with your friends and well-wishers. Do subscribe to get new videos every week on personal finance and untold great ideas, and press bell icon. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to share your feedback and choices of topic for next videos in comment box. Take care of yourself. Stay healthy and wealthy as a smart investor. See you soon.